Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all guys, can we all turn and say a big hello to our friends on camera?
Hello!
Hello! And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap and close our eyes. And when you're ready guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. Excellent. And next we'll do our stretching sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And let's begin by going left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Right, face forward. Now we'll do stretches. We'll do 5 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And next we'll do 5 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. And then we'll stand up straight. Let's shake it out. Stop. Shake it out. Stop. Shake it out. Stop. And to finish, we'll do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. So what have we been learning about in math class recently, guys? Multiplication is right. How do we spell? M-U-L-T-I-P-L-I-C-A-T-I-O-N. Multiplication. Very good. And today we're going to move on and we're going to look at word problems. Word problems using multiplication. So how do we spell word problems? O-R-D. Problems. S. Excellent. Word problems. And then using. U-S-I-N-G. Word problems. Using multiplication. Word problems using multiplication. Very good. So let's do a word problem using multiplication. I will write a word problem on the board for you guys to read, okay? 20 schools take part in sports day. 20 schools take part in sports day. Very good. Each school has 6 students. S-T-U-D-E-N-T-S. Taking part. How many students take part in total? Okay, there's our multiplication word problem. Let's read together. 20 schools take part in sports day. Each school has 6 students taking part. So, how many students take part in total? What do we have to do? Multiply. What do we multiply? Can anyone tell me what?
20 times 6.
Perfect. We take how many schools? 20 schools. How many students per school? So, 20 times 6. 6 times 0 equals 0. 6 times 2 equals 12. So we write 1, 2, 0. So guys, how many students take part in total?
How many students
Take part in total, and the answer is
120.
students. You see, that's how we answer our word problem. 20 schools, each school's 6 students. So how many students in total?
120.
You understand?
Yes.
Okay, let's do one more together. So let me rub this one out. Let's see, what shall we do this time? Somebody give me a number. 3. Higher.
2.
Higher.
6.
9. 9 children. 9 children. Okay? 9 children go to buy. What would you like to buy? Strawberries. Okay. 9 children go to buy strawberries. S-T-R-A-W. B-E-R-R-I-E-S. Okay. 9 children go to buy strawberries. Each child buys. How many strawberries do you buy? How many? How many? 20. Okay, 20. Each child buys 20 Strawberries. Excellent. So our question, can anybody guess the question? How many strawberries? How many strawberries do the children buy in total? So altogether, 9 children go to buy strawberries. Each child buys 20 strawberries. How many strawberries do the children buy in total? So what do we need to do? Multiply. What do we multiply?
20 times 9.
Perfect. 20 to 0 times 9. 9 times 0 equals 0. 9 times 2? 18. 1, 8, 0. So guys, how many strawberries do the children buy in total?
180 strawberries.
Yes, we can say the children buy 180 strawberries in total. And that's how we do multiplication word problems. So well done guys, well followed. So what we'll do now is have a look at a PowerPoint presentation about some more multiplication word problems. And for this activity, teachers, have your students use a pencil and a piece of paper. And as we're going through the presentation, they can try to work out the word problems. So guys, let's all have a look at the TV screen, okay? So let's take a look at our PowerPoint presentation about word problems using multiplication. Okay, so let's read together. Mandy is reading a book that has 52 pages. Each page of the book has 40 words. How many words are there in total in the book? Okay, so what do we need to do, guys? What are the amounts we need to multiply? How many pages? 52 pages times 40 words per page. Okay, so remember from the previous lessons, 0 times 2, 0 times 5 equals 0. So step 1, 0. Then we move into the tens column. So what's the first thing we do for step 2? 0. And then 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 5. So we write 20 and use the comma because we're into the thousands. So what's the answer for step 2?
2080.
And when we add 0 to 2080, what's our total answer? 2080. So, how many words are there In total, in the book. We can say there are 2,080 words in total in the book. Excellent. Well done, guys. You see, by multiplying the number of pages by the number of words on each page, we have the answer. Do you understand? Okay. Well done. Now, let's take a look at another problem. See, we have how many pages? 52 pages. How many words per page? 40. So, 52 times 40 equals?
2,080.
Excellent. So our answer together, the total number of words in the book is 2,080. Excellent. Well done, guys. Next word problem. Are we ready? Paul has 15 plates of sandwiches ready for the party. Each plate has 25 sandwiches on it. How many sandwiches are there for the party? Okay, so what do we need to do for this multiplication problem? Times. What do we times? How many plates? 15. And on each plate, how many sandwiches? 25. Excellent. So once again, we start with step 1. 5 times 1. Excellent. So step 1, we have the answer, 75. Next, we move on to the next column, step 2. So first thing, we write 0 in the ones column. 2 times 5. 2 times 1.
2 times 1 equals 2 plus 1 equals 3.
Okay, so what's the answer for step 2?
300.
So what do we need to do to the answers in step 1 and step 2? Plus, we add together.
0
5 plus 0,
equals 5.
7 plus 0,
Equals 7.
0 plus 3.
Equals 3.
So our answer, 375. You see, 15 plates, 15 times 25 sandwiches
25 sandwiches.
means total sandwiches 375.
75.
So altogether, guys, the total number of sandwiches is 375. Excellent. You understand? Yes. And this is how we're doing multiplication word problems. Very good. Shall we do one more? Yes. Okay. There are 47 houses in the village. Each house has 6 people how many people are there living in the village? So let's see, how many houses in the village? How many? 47. How many people in each house? So we do 47 times 6. So let's see, step 1, 6 times 7. 42. So we'll write 2, carry the 4. 6 times 4. So what's our answer, guys? 282. 282. Let's see if we're right. How many houses? 47. How many people in each house? 6. So 47 times 6 equals 282. Therefore, ready? The total number of people living in the village is 282. And this is how we do word problems using multiplication. Any questions?
No.
Excellent, guys. Well done. Welcome back to class. We hope you enjoyed the PowerPoint presentation about how to work out word problems using multiplication. And it was good to see our students in the class with their pencils and paper working out the problems as we went along. All did a very good job, so well done, guys. And now, time for our stretching sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin by placing our hands on our head, shoulders, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes. Now let's do that one more time, but let's do it slowly. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes. And now one more time, quickly. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes. And to finish, 3 star jumps. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. And now, teachers, it's time for our final activity for the lesson. It's a flashcards activity. So what you need to do is print off the flashcards for the lesson and cut them into individual word problems. So you'll have word problem 1, word problem 2, and word problem 3. And we need to divide our students into teams of 2, 3, or 4, depending on the size of your class. I have 8 students in my class, so I think teams of 2 will work fine. So are you ready? Pakbung, Lakgao, team 1, okay? Team 1. Pakbung, Lakgao, team 1. Pangpon, Prel, team 2. Net, down, team 3. Pat, Nadia, team 4. So, hands up, team 1. Team 1, hands up. Team 2, hands up. Team 3, hands up. Team 4. Okay, so word problem number 1. We will read together first, okay? Okay, so first of all, we have word problem number 1, and we'll read together first, guys. A stamp book consists of 64 pages. There are 12 stamps on each page. What is the total number of stamps in the book? Okay, so what we'll do now, we'll give each of our teams the word problem. They have to read and work it out. They have 5 minutes to answer. So when they think they're ready, they can come and write their answer on the board. Then after 5 minutes, we will work out together and see who's right. Okay, guys? So, team 1, there you go. Team 2.
Thank you.
Team 3. Team 4. Okay, so have a read of your problem, guys. And when you think you have the answer, you can work it out and write on the board. Okay. Remember, we're multiplying. You think you're finished?
Yes.
Write your answer. Team 2 think they're finished. Just the answer, you don't need to work out, just your answer. Okay, and I'll write. Team 2 came first, so you wrote it first, okay? Excellent. Okay, when you're ready, write your answer on the board. Okay, come and write your answer on the board. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Have a seat. So, all of our teams are ready. Team 1, what's your answer?
768.
Team 2, what's your answer?
768.
And Team 2 wrote this answer first, so if this answer is correct, Team 2 will win. Team 3, what's your answer?
768.
Team 4, what's your answer?
768.
Okay, now let's work out together. What did we do to get our answer 768?
64 times 12.
64 times 12. Okay, so let's say
2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 8 equals 12.
excellent. So our answer for step 1,
128.
excellent. Now we move on to step 2. So what's the first thing we do? 0.
1 times 4 equals 4. 1 times 6 equals 6.
So our answer for step 2.
Counted holding.
So what do we do now, guys?
Plus
8 plus 0.
equals 8. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 1 plus 6 equals 7.
So what's the answer?
768.
Everybody got that correct. So round of applause. But can we have another round of applause for team 2? Because they wrote, you don't need to clap, we're going to clap you. You win, okay? So round of applause for team 2. They got the answer correct, so that's 1 point to team 2. Now we'll do word problem number 2. But first, I will delete the board. Ah, team 1. Team 1. Okay, are you ready for word problem number 2? Ready. Let's read together first. Word problem number 2. John collects 25 baskets of eggs from his chicken farm. Each basket contains 15 eggs. So, how many eggs are there in total? Are we ready? Okay. This time. Not yet, okay? Not yet. Oh.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Team 1, are you ready?
Ready.
Team 2, are you ready?
Ready.
Team 3, are you ready? Team 4?
Ready.
Okay, 10 over. And now, when you think you have your answers, you can bring them and put them on the board. Okay. Okay. Excellent. So you were first. We'll see who. Thank you. Still plenty of time left, so make sure you're right and then bring your answer. Okay, team 3, are you ready? Do you have an answer? Okay, excellent. And you can have a seat. So, we've all got the same answer again. Team 1, what's your answer?
375.
Team 2?
375.
Team 3?
375.
And team 4?
375.
Okay, so we've all got the same answer. Team 1 wrote it first. So if this answer is correct, it's a point for team 1. So, what did we do to get to this answer, guys? How many chickens? How many baskets?
25 times 15.
25 baskets, yeah?
Yes,
And how many eggs?
18.
In each. Okay. So let's see. 5 times 5.
Equal 25.
So I write 5, carry the 2. 5 times 2.
Equal 10 plus 2 equal 12.
So do we have our answer for step 1?
Yes.
What's our answer for step 1?
125.
Excellent. So what do we do next? Step 2. And the first thing we do, 0. Okay.
5 times
What's our answer for step 2?
250.
Okay, so what do we do next, guys? Plus. 5 plus 0.
Equal 5.
2 plus 5.
7.
1 plus 2.
3.
How many eggs are there in total?
375.
Excellent, you're all correct. Everybody, rounds of applause. But now, an extra round of applause for Team 1. You don't need to clap, we clap you, okay? So, Team 1, 1 point. Team 2, 1 point. Team 3, Team 4, let's go. We have one more word problem, okay? So, let me clear the board. Word problem number 3. So let's read together first, okay? This is word problem number 3. A boat sails to an island 15 times a day.
15 times a day.
Yes, it sails back 15 times a day. The boat has 52 passengers on it each time. How many passengers sail to the island every day? Okay, are we ready for word problem number 3? Remember not to do it yet? You're welcome. You're welcome. Team 4, are you ready? Team 3, are you ready? Team 2, are you ready? Team 1, are you ready? Are you really ready? Are you really, really ready? Go! Don't forget, when you have your answer, guys, you can write on the board. Excellent, Nadia. 52 and 15.
Finish.
Okay. Very good. You can keep. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. So guys, again, we've all got the same answer. Team 4, what's your answer?
780.
Team 3, what's your answer?
780.
Team 2?
780.
Team 1?
780.
Okay, so if 780 is correct, Team 3 wrote it first. So we'll see. How did we get the answer 780, guys? What did we do?
15 times 52.
That's right, the boat goes backwards and forwards 15 times a day. How many passengers on each time?
52.
52. Okay, so step 1, 2 times 5, 10. So 0, carry 1. 2 times 1
Equal 2.
plus 1.
Equal 3.
Okay, so what's our answer for step 1? 30. Now for step 2. First thing to do for step 2? 0. 5 times 5. So I write 5, and what do I do with the 2? Carry. 5 times 1 plus the 2. Okay, so what's our answer for step 2?
750.
Okay, now to work out our total. 0 plus 0 equals
0.
3 plus 5. 0 plus 7. So what's our total answer? How many passengers sail to the island every day?
780.
So, team 1, correct. Team 2, correct. Team 3, correct. And team 4, correct. So, round of applause, guys. So well done everybody, guys. Everybody was correct. And now, another round of applause for team 3, because they wrote the answer the fastest. So well done, team 3. So we finish on team 1, 1 point. Team 2, 1 point. Team 3, 1 point. And team 4, never mind, because you got the right answer every time, okay? And that's the end of today's lesson, because what we've done today is we're learning about how to solve word problems using multiplication in groups, which is what our final activity was all about, helping each other to work out the problem. And we all did a great job, so well done, guys. And that's the end of today's lesson. So we hope you've enjoyed it and had fun too. And we'll see you again soon for the next lesson. So can we all turn to wave and say goodbye? Goodbye. Bye-bye.